Welcome back to The Source, guys. You're watching the only place where we look past the hype and straight into the tech. Today, we are breaking down TopAI.tools, which is an AI discovery ecosystem that has scaled to over 20,000 tools across 120 specialized categories. This is a high-performance infrastructure that is built for professionals and developers to evaluate and deploy AI directly into real-world workflows. And with daily updates keeping it at the edge of the industry, this is currently the most comprehensive platform for navigating the AI revolution. Alright guys, now that you have seen the vision, let's get straight into the mechanics of why this platform is a true game changer. To understand the actual utility here, you have to look at the intent-based discovery architecture. The system is built to filter tools by exactly what you have and what you need. It's analyzing inputs, outputs, and professional personas to match the right AI to the specific task. As I said guys, with over 20,000 tools across 120 categories and daily updates, the platform functions as a live high-quality index of the entire AI landscape. So by manually reviewing accuracy and removing abandoned projects, the ecosystem remains focused on reliability while still capturing every single emerging trend as it happens. This is the new standard for navigating the speed of AI development. But what really makes this platform work is that it's designed to actually help you get things done and not just give you a long list to scroll through. It all starts with the AI-assisted search, which actually understands what you're trying to do. Instead of just matching keywords, it explains why certain tools fit your goal and even suggests related tasks you might have missed. If you have something specific in mind, like turning a voice note into a video, the input and output filtering lets you find that exact shortcut instantly. And plus, it's also customized for your specific job. You can filter by personas or use cases, so whether you're in finance or maybe content creation, you see the tools that are built for your actual daily workflow. And to save you from wasting time on ghost projects, the verified listings badge tells you a tool is safe, working, and accurately priced. But the real bridge to actually use these tools is the Playbooks. These are step-by-step guides that show you how to combine different AI tools to get a finished result. If you're stuck between two options, you can use side-by-side comparisons to see exactly how they differ in price and features. You can also find actual deals to save money on your subscriptions and build your own stacks of favorite tools to share with your team or the community. And of course, to keep it all grounded in reality, there are discussions and honest feedback on every tool, so you hear from people actually using them. Finally, if you just want to see what's winning right now, the top 100 and editor picks give you a weekly look at the most popular and highest performing tools on the market. Guys, I can safely say that this is the complete ecosystem for staying ahead in AI. And what's great about TopAI.tools is that it's actually built for anyone looking to work smarter. If you're a content creator or marketer like I am, you can find literally everything from SEO boosters to a full campaign automation. Developers and engineers use it to source the best coding assistants and APIs, while business owners are using it to automate their operations and customer support to save time. It's also a huge resource for the creative side because designers can use the platform to find the latest image and video editing tools in order to speed their entire workflow. Even if you're in the academic world like researchers, educators, or students, there is a massive selection of tools for data analysis, document summarization, and free resources to help with learning and productivity. As you can see guys, no matter your role, there is a specific corner of this platform built just for you. That being said guys, if you're looking to actually build your AI stack without burning through your budget, you have to check out the deal section. This is a daily curated feed of 119 active deals that the team manually verifies. You're looking at everything from deep discounts to those rare AI lifetime deals where you pay once and own the tool forever. And I don't know if you understand this, but this is a massive edge for all long-term operations. Looking at the current dashboard, you can see the featured picks like Fine Voice with a 30% discount or the Gold SIM at 40% off. On top of that, they even have the exclusive one-time offers for tools like Slashit app for $49 or sportsai.dev for $99. And because the landscape moves so fast, they update this list every single day to make sure that every promo code and lifetime offer is actually live and working. This project is essentially a shortcut to the high-end AI technology at a fraction of the market price, which is honestly giving you a serious professional advantage. The bottom line is that the AI landscape is moving faster than most people can track, and TopAI.tools is the infrastructure that you definitely need to stay ahead. These are all the tools of the future that are definitely going to define how we work, create, and scale in 2026. And with that in mind, if you want to keep your edge, make sure to follow them on socials and check the platform daily for those verified updates and deals. Literally everything you need to navigate this revolution is in one place. Stay focused, keep building with the right technology, and I will see you in the next one.